This house wasn't built all at once. It was built in two phases, nearly 20 years apart. This is Serendang House 2, designed by PSA Studio in Depok on the outskirts of Jakarta, Indonesia. The original house was built in 2008, and years later came the extension. But the challenge here wasn't just about adding space, it was about connecting two different eras without looking like two separate houses. The front section was mostly kept as it was, with few changes. The facade remains almost the same, with those vertical, corrugated GRC panels that let light through and allow a partial view of the exterior, but without opening completely. It's a filter, light control and privacy control at the same time. This front section holds the more public areas, reception, common spaces, and the owner's bedroom, everything positioned to keep supervision over the environments. This comes from the house's origins. It started with a more collective function, oriented toward guests, and that logic shaped the entire spatial organization. Further back, the house changes. That's where the extension begins. And here, the design does something interesting. It doesn't copy the old, but it doesn't ignore it either. It mirrors it. The new volume is a reflected version of the original, keeping the proportions, keeping the logic, but with a more open language. Fewer walls, more transparency, more connection with the exterior. And that completely changes the experience. Light comes in better, air circulates more easily, the spaces feel more alive. The interior connects to that exterior without rigid separation. The spaces open up, extend outward. They maintain a constant relationship with the garden. Even in a dense part of the city, the house never feels closed off, but it also never loses control over what is public and what is private. The materiality reinforces this transition. The old is more closed, more dense. The new is lighter, more open. But the two speak to each other. There is no rupture. There is continuity, even with all that time between them. The house also shifts in use. Once designed for long stays, now it works as a guest house for weekends, holidays, short visits. That transforms the logic of the spaces. They become more flexible, more focused on togetherness. The outdoor area takes on real weight in the project. The existing garden gains a pool, which becomes the central meeting point between the old part and the new. Serendang House 2 doesn't try to erase the past. It uses what already existed and builds from there. A house that isn't just an extension, it's a conversation between two eras. And it shows that sometimes a project doesn't start from scratch, it starts from what's already there.
dun, dun.